channeling my Parineeti Chopra today because we're going to review The Girl on the Train.
मैं हूँ मीरा कपूर और ये है मेरी कहानी.
First rule of a thriller is no spoilers. So guys, you're not going to get a single spoiler in this review. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Isha. You are watching Isha Connecting. And if you're new here, hi. Please go like, subscribe, comment, share my review and watch out my other reviews as well. Let's get into today's review, which is The Girl on the Train. ये मूवी आई थी 2016 में पहली बार. दिस मूवी बॉलीवुड मूवी इज अ रीमेक. सो 2016 में थी एमिली ब्लंट एंड जस्टिन थिरोन. एंड इन दिस वी सी परिणीति चोपड़ा, अविनाश तिवारी एंड कृति. परिणीति चोपड़ा who plays Meera Kapoor, Avinash Tiwari plays Shekhar and Kriti plays the cop. Damdar cast, right? So Meera Kapoor ka character who's an alcoholic, she's grieving for her relationship or grieving for a lot of things in her life, and she is also patient of amnesia. Talking about Shekhar, he is the so-called perfect husband. And the cop obviously who's investigating the thriller we're going to talk about. Alright, so movie starts with a Bollywood song. Yeah, so you instantly know कि इसमें Bollywood twist और सब कुछ होने वाला है क्योंकि गाने से शुरुआत की है. This song you see the entire love story of Meera and Shekhar, how they met, how they fall in love and how they get married eventually. So Meera Kapoor is a lawyer who's fighting a case and she's having a lot of trouble in that case. Next thing we see in the movie is something major happens and Meera और Shekhar का divorce ही हो जाता है. This is not a spoiler, it's pretty evident in the trailer. So अब divorce हो जाता है and Shekhar is already married to somebody else and we see the story of Meera Kapoor where she's narrating in the entire movie. तो आप परिणीति चोपड़ा को पूरी मूवी में सुनेंगे different monologues में. So Meera Kapoor who takes train every evening, वो same route से जाती हैं और वो same route से कुछ चीज़ें देखती हैं जो actually उनका past reflect करें. For example, she looks at this house where she and Shekhar has lived already. Then वो एक और घर देखती है जिसमें उनको दिखती है नुसरत played by Aditi Rao Hydari with her husband who has a perfect life, like perfect couple, perfect home, perfect lovey-dovey situation. And when Meera Kapoor is looking at that, she's thinking, यार ये मुझे ऐसी लाइफ चाहिए. ये कितनी प्यारी लाइफ है. They are so perfect. Like I like how they are. It's like social media ना. हम दूर से देखते हैं and we feel like क्या body है यार, क्या relationship है, so perfect. But the reality is different. So now Meera Kapoor who takes train like I said every day same time एक बार उन देखती हैं कि नुसरत is not with her husband with somebody else and she takes it so personally that she's grieving for her also and she's like ये ऐसा क्यों कर सकती है, she can't do like this, and there's an entire over dramatic monologue about this situation where Meera Kapoor decides to go and confront Nusrat. And next thing we find out in the movie is that Nusrat is missing or she's murdered. That situation you can find out in the movie. थ्रिलर एक्चुअली अभी से शुरू हुआ है, राइट? हमको पता चल गया है कि भाई मीरा कपूर जो परिणीति चोपड़ा प्ले कर रही है वो इतनी ज़्यादा अल्कोहलिक है, इतनी ज़्यादा अमनीशिया की पेशेंट है, उनको कुछ याद ही नहीं रहता. एंड ऑब्वियसली वो दिन जब वो नुसरत से कन्फ्रंट करने जाती है वो भी परिणीति को याद नहीं रहता है. So this is the thrilling effect. The thrill starts and it goes somehow. Like there are moments where I felt like, oh wow, and then I was like, oh okay. So it comes and it goes. So that there's this element of missing something, you know, that thrilling effect is missing. So this is what happens and the entire thrilling is all about नुसरत को किसने मारा या वो कैसे मिस हुई और वो क्या कहानी है और क्या मीरा कपूर को वो चीज़ें याद आएगी या नहीं आएगी. So she takes upon herself and she starts finding out things by herself. तो ये basically कहानी है and there are turns and twists which are completely Bollywood. बॉलीवुड गाने मुझे बहुत पसंद है, वी थ्राइव ऑन इट, बट थ्रिलर्स में ना वो आपको थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं और दे स्पॉइल योर मूड समहाउ. नाउ इमेजिन इफ आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज व्हाट इट फेल्ट व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग दिस मूवी. आल्सो सम ऑफ द सीन्स आर सो स्पून फेड. लाइक हमने पूरी सिचुएशन देख ली कि भाई परिणीति के साथ मीरा कपूर जो उनका कैरेक्टर उनके साथ ये हुआ है, बट देयर इज अनदर कैरेक्टर हु विल एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग. तो आपको लगता है हम देख चुके हैं, अभी क्यों बता रहे हो, मतलब आगे बढ़ो ना. Yeah. So overall this is over dramatic, little bit thrilling, little bit over pitched movie I felt somehow because 2016 में all I could remember when I watched that movie was Emily Blunt's acting. Like she was fab, the story was so thrilling, but here somehow that is missing. Talking about acting, Parineeti Chopra is a versatile actor. I absolutely love her. She has nailed few of the things. मतलब एक सीन में वो रो रही है and you really want to go and tell her कि भाई चुप हो जा, कोई बात नहीं, लाइफ ठीक हो जाएगी. But कुछ सीन्स में ना वो थोड़ी सी out of the pitch हो गई है. Like somehow you feel like over, जिसको बोलते थोड़ी सा over हो गया है. And the way she speaks in the movie is also a little bit of concern, because मुझे लगा ये ऐसी तो कभी बात नहीं करती थी, but ये क्या हो गया है. These are my observations. Talking about Avinash Tiwari, oh my god, when I first saw Laila Majnu and then Bulbul, I knew this guy is amazing. He's a fab actor, and I wish and I hope he gets more roles and good roles in Bollywood. In this movie, he has justified his role very well. He's played his character perfectly. Kriti, we all know she's a fabulous actor herself, so playing a cop was like an easy breezy job for her, I'm pretty sure. So overall, थोड़ा सा बॉलीवुड मिर्च मसाला ट्विस्ट थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक बना के इस मूवी को पेश किया गया है. इफ यू आर दैट पर्सन हु लाइक्स दैट काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट्स, गो फॉर इट. द मूवी इज ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. इफ यू आर लाइक मी हु वॉचेस थ्रिलर लाइक you know, who doesn't want to get distracted at all, you should not expect much when you watch this movie. More interesting or character which added to the movie was Parineeti's black clothes or grey clothes, because that resonates her life. She's in a black hole. What she's experiencing is like a black hole, and which resonates with her dressing sense. So I think that was also kind of interesting, which also is taken from 2016 The Girl on the Train. Alright guys, तो इस ट्रेन की जर्नी तो मैंने आपको बता दी. अगर आपको दूसरे रिव्यूज देखने हैं तो प्लीज जाइए और आप मेरी प्लेलिस्ट भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, वेयर यू कैन सी लॉट ऑफ इंटरव्यूज, वेयर यू कैन सी लॉट ऑफ रिव्यूज. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. कीप वॉचिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.